mission-critical technology that rolls. Get power, versatility, and portability packed into one sleek case. SealingTech's Cyber Flyaway Kits deliver robust defense solutions tailored to your mission's needs. Our carry-on compliant kits allow you to acquire, analyze, and act on data in real time for instant visibility and swifter threat remediation. Their high core density makes them ideal for large enterprise networks. Deploy your software applications, platform, and tools from anywhere with a touch of a button. Equipped to handle the most demanding tasks. Our customizable kits arrive deployment-ready with maximum storage capability and go-the-distance edge technology in one complete mobile mission success solution. As your operation evolves, our kits adapt with scalable components requiring minimum setup and teardown time. Designed to perform in any size space or demanding environment. Our automated kits deployment comes powered with custom Ansible scripts with just a few clicks to achieve mission setup. Our rugged cases fit in overhead airline compartments as a TSA-compliant carry-on, allowing you to keep critical data nearby. Tailored to your unique mission-critical needs, our kits promote greater agility, versatility, and risk mitigation for the defense and commercial sectors. SealingTech's Cyber Flyaway Kits, superior edge computing, and a compact deploy-anywhere platform. Discover the potential that awaits at SealingTech.com.